Good morning, student. Today we'll continue with our topic marketing, marketing management, and marketing mix. We'll talk about sales promotion. Now, sales promotion is a, a third way of promoting your product. There are different ways, techniques for sale promotion. Some are rebates. Under it, products are offered at a special prices to clear the excess inventory. For example, offer of Hero Motorcorps to sell BS4 vehicles at a discount of rupees 13,000 for a limited period, because now BS6 will be allowed. To clear the stock of BS4, they are giving a discount of 13,000. Next is discounts. Certain percentage of price is reduced as discount from the list price with the purpose to induce buyer to buy more. For example, Levi's offer of discount up to 50%. Third is refunds. Refunding a part of price paid by customer on producing some proof of purchase. For example, a toothpaste manufacturer may offer a refund of ₹5 on returning the empty cover of the pack. Next is product combination. Offering another product as gift along with the purchase of a product. Like Pepsi offers a pack of Lay's chips with a 2-liter bottle of Pepsi. A toothbrush free with 160 grams of Colgate toothpaste. These are product combinations. Next is quantity gift. Under this method, some extra quantity of the main product is passed on as a gift to the consumer. For example, 25% extra with half-liter bottle of Coke. Buy 2 get 1 offer of Flying Machine denims. Next is sampling. Sampling means getting free sample of the product to the consumer. These are done to make consumer try the product and learn about it. Example, Hindustan Unilever Limited did extensive sampling of their Surf Excel when the brand was initially launched. Next is contest. Now consumers are required to participate in some competitive event involving application of skills or luck, and the winner are given some reward. Like Dainik Jagran had a painting competition for kids during first lockdown, and best painting were published in the newspaper daily. Next is lucky draw. Lucky draw refers to taking out a draw on purchase of product and giving gift to the winner. A lucky draw coupon for free petrol on purchase of certain quantity of petrol from Bharat Petroleum. Next is usable benefit. Under this method, coupons are distributed among the consumer on behalf of the producer. Coupon is kind of certificate telling that the product mentioned therein can be obtained as special discount. Possession of a coupon motivates the consumer to buy the product even when he has no need of it. For example, purchase goods worth rupees 50,000 and get a holiday package worth rupees 5,000 free. Next is full finance. Now this is also known as factoring. Now many marketers of consumer durables such as electronic goods, automobile, etc. offer easy financing scheme. For example, buy a motorcycle on 12 installments at a down payment of rupees 1,300. Next is instant draws and assigned gifts. Under this method, a consumer is asked to stretch card on the purchase of a product and the name of the product is inscribed there, upon which is immediately offered to the customer as a gift. For example, buy 1 liter of Castrol engine oil and sketch a card and get cash coupon up to rupees 300. Thank you.